Okay, for this assignment, this is called forced values. And what a value is, it's a belief about something you believe in. Okay, so it's something you hold a high belief in. So what forced values are, is this assignment's going to make you choose which value you hold to be the highest. You may feel both of them are very important, but it's going to make you stop and think, which one, this one or this one, am I going to hold more important to myself? So let's look at what I'm talking about. I'm going to click on this document. And we're going to come up with this. And so what I need you to do, you can either print it out or you can just write it on a piece of paper. And you're going to write down which ones you hold to be more important to yourselves. So I would say to be reasonably sure about the future for myself and my family, or to have influence with people. So which do I hold to be more important? To be reasonably sure about the future for myself and my family, is that more important, or to have influence over people? And so I feel I would choose one. So I'm going to write a number 1 down. And you don't have to put the number of this one. It's because it's number 1. The second one is to do what is right according to my beliefs, or to have things neat, orderly, and organized. So which do I feel is more important to me? To do what is right, or to have things neat, orderly, and organized? So me personally, I would choose number 9. So I write a number 9 down. Same thing goes for all of them. So the next one would be to do new and different things often, or is it more important to have friends? Well, to me, I would think it's more important to have friends, because I wouldn't want to do new and different things if I didn't have a friend to do them. So I would choose 7. So right now I would have written down 1, 9, 7. I'm going to do this all the way down. So I'll do it here and here. Okay, then you're going to get to a sheet that looks like this. And it says, and what it needs you to do is count the number of times you circled the number 1 on the values test and insert the number counted in the blank to the left of the statement number 1 below. You can again either print this, or you can just write it on a piece of paper, like write security on paper and then write how many times you get number 1. So let me show you what I did. So I did this, and I circled the number 1 right here 6 times. I circled influence. 4 times. So I circled a number 2 4 times. And I'm getting these numbers right here. 1, 2, 9, 7, 6, 7, 4, 6, 2, 5. So if I pick a 2, then I write a 2 down. If I pick this sentence right here, then I'd write a 5 down. Is this making sense? Okay, so I'm going to add them all the way down. I believe there's a total of 28 questions. So your total should equal 28. Then you're going to come over here and you're going to rank them. So I'm going to rank this. So which one did I circle the most? Well, I have a 6 on security, and that looks to be my highest. So I would write a 1 in rank. Then the next one I got highest was 4s. I have no 5, so it'd be influence, helpfulness, freedom, and new experience. So I'm going to put this as 1, and then I'd say probably 2, 3, 4, and influence 5. Then I would look at friendliness and love, and they would be 6, 7. Actually be 6, 7. And then our orderliness is 9. My rank of 9. Religion would be 10, and workmanship would be 11, and wealth would be 12. Now, to be honest, guys, I just made up these numbers because I've done this before, and I just wanted to show you how to do it. So this isn't really how I rank. It's just an example. Okay, so then you're going to go through, and I'm going to look at this, and I'm going to say, oh, my security is more important to me than anything I want, than anything out there. Okay, and that just means I want to be sure about my future for myself, and I want to be able to provide for my family. Now, I would say my influence, to have influence over people, would not be a 4. It'd probably be a 0 or a 1, but that's just my guess. So anyway, I want you to do this, and then you're going to go back to here, and I'm going to have you write down, I haven't finished it, but I'm going to have you write down in the submission box what was your first, second, and third value. All right, and that's how you're going to be graded. Now, if you want to upload your numbers and tell me, that's fine, you can do that. Or you can write all your numbers in a text box, but the thing I want the most is your first top 4 values. All right, does this make sense? Hopefully. So email me if it doesn't, or come on to a Zoom meeting. Have a good day, guys.